What a disaster. This 1 hour project just turned into a multiple day issue. I'm gonna take you along. We got a whole. This is the flooring we have. It's a super, super thin LVP. It looked good. It looked good. It served its purpose. It doesn't have a lot of texture, a lot of detail in here. But when I'm pulling it up, look at this. What a disaster. It's pulling up the flooring fill as well with the glue. That's not supposed to be happening. This floor is still stuck down. It's hard to get up. I gotta use a screwdriver, I gotta pry it. The joint here, the mud bed is starting to pull up. Look at that. What is the deal? See, I gotta just take this screwdriver, get underneath of it. But it's made a disaster. And this stuff is exactly why I like to use a release adhesive glue. Had that been done prior to this, I would have been able to just pull this floor up and put the other one right back down on top of it without even having to re-glue. It's crazy how technology and products have changed in such a short period of time. So here's what it looks like now that it's completely removed, and you can hear my feet, how sticky it is. Scraping that off would make even more of a disaster. So what we're going to do is we're going to emboss it with this feather finish. This feather finish by Ardex is like the multi-tool of flooring. I flat troweled down one coat first. We're going to let that dry. We'll then sand it. Probably going to need a second coat, but then it'll be perfectly smooth. Once it gets light gray like this, that means it's dry and ready to rock. Once we had it nice and smooth, we're going to have B throw down the glue. And now, of course, we're going to use the pressure sensitive, or AKA the release adhesive glue here. And now the unique part of this glue is we're actually going to let it flash off or dry. Once the glue is flashed off or dried and we put our flooring down, you can always pull it back up and it will remain sticky. So now we can just hit it with a fan real quick. And with the magic of editing, ta-da. Thanks for watching and have a great night.